Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and share a link for photos in Google Drive. So this is my drive right here and we're going to head over to the photos in my drive and let's go ahead and share something. Say for example this particular image right here. I want to share this to let's say a particular person. Now to do that you're going to click the share button right here and you can basically just go ahead and type their email here. Make sure you add some message and then notify them. So if we are going to click the send button right here, you should be able to see this one in their email. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to share this to multiple person and you want to make it easy? So the best way to do that is by clicking this three dots, share, share plus, and from here, instead of restricted, you're going to change this to anyone with the link. Now, make sure that you're going to change this one depending on the role that they're going to be needing, or for example, be viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer for most photos is going to be sufficient. I'm going to click copy link, and this time, even if they don't have an account, they should be able to open this photo still. And that, everybody, is how you're going to create and share a link for photos in Google Drive.